Listen to celebrities speak Igbo. So, guys, I'm gonna play you a video of a celebrity teaching another celebrity how to speak Igbo. To be able to understand and learn how to speak a language faster, you need to listen to the native speakers of the language. Watch this video, guys, and tell me what you think of it in the comments.
I'm going to be saying some words in Igbo. Chidi has to repeat after me.
Trust me, this is not me. This is my real
It's
face.
your real face. So your real face. Okay. Let's start with Ezumika Diro. Say it.
Say it again, please. Say it again. Say it again.
See me that is telling him I don't even know how to speak Igbo very well. At least I'm trying.
Yeah, say it again.
Ezumika Diro.
Ezumika Diro.
Say it again.
Ez- Wait. Ezumika Kadi. Oh, Jesus. Why is
Ezumika Adiro.
Say it again. Say it again.
Ezumika Diro.
Ezumika Diro.
Jesus Christy. Chineke. Which other word? Say okay, there's this word. Anụ ahụnyere n'ọkụ kpọpụtara ha niile.
I go move. Then
Say it.
I
You
go
can
move.
do it. You can do it.
Say it again.
Anụ
Anu
ahụnyere n'ọkụ.
ahụnyere n'ọkụ.
Hụnyere n'ọkụ
Hụnyere ọkụ.
kpọpụtara ha niile.
Kọpụtara ha niile.
Jesus Christ, Chidi.
This video should not go out.
Chidi.
This video should not go out.
Okay, which Igbo can you speak? Let's start. Let me start with the basics. Say
Kedu.
Chukwunna gọzie gị ọfụma.
Chukwu what?
Chukwunna gọzie gị ọfụma.
Chukwunna gọzie ọfụma.
Chukwunna gọzie gị ọfụma.
Chukwunna go. Oh fuck.
Hey. Chukwu gọzie gị.
Chukwu gọzie gị.
Okay, Chukwunna gọzie gị ọfụma means God thank you very much. Which other word? Say dankis. Ike agwụgwọ m.
Dankis. Uka agụgọ.
Ike
Ike.
agwụgwọ m.
Dankis. Ike na agụgọ.
Hey!
Hey!
Hey! Do you know what
Help,
it means?
guys, help.
Do you know what it means?
No.
It means dankis, I'm tired.
Okay.
Ike agwụgwọ m.
Ike agụgọ m.
Yes.
Dankis. Ike agụgọ m.
Ike agwụgwọ m.
Ike agụgọ m.
Say I am hungry, Nico. You can do this one.
I am hungry.
In Igbo. You can just get one. Just one. I am hungry. You can do it. 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 It starts with
Agụgọ. No. But actually, I've eaten.
Okay.
Iriari.
Hey! Maybe your own dialect might be correct though.
Yes,
Maybe
now
your
yes,
dialect
yes,
might be correct.
exactly,
But
yes.
you're not saying it properly.
What's the proper word?
Hey God, I don't want to embarrass myself.
What's the proper?
Irigoni. That's what we say.
Irigoni.
Mm.
But I think I know Iriari, like, I don't know that what I used to hear, but
Okay, so
I swear to God, people are laughing.
yes.
People are laughing. You think it's funny? It's not funny,
Oh
oh.
my God, it's funny. It's actually funny. Very funny. So say which other word? Which other word? Anama amụta Igbo.
Anama.
Ana m amụta otu asị asụ Igbo.
Ha. And that one is hard now.
Ana m amụta otu asị asụ Igbo. Asụta m ya ọfụma. Asụta m ya ọfụma. Chineke.
You see, my lecturer doesn't speak rubbish. Let me say one lecture me.
But I'm better
You're not
than
even
you.
qualified.
I'm better than
You're
you.
not even qualified
I
to
am
this is your thing now.
better
You're not
than
qualified.
you.
You're not qualified to do it.
I'm better than you.
That's the
Like
way say.
you're an Igbo guy, right? Yeah. Say what is Anamamuta?
That's the way say won't teach me.
Okay.
You don't even know. You don't even know.
What is Anamamuta Utuasha Sibu? Apostle, ask him not to tell me off, okay? Hey, ana
Person,
mamu ta utasha
person want to
sibo.
teach me Igbo. You don't even know.
Okay, ana mamu utasha sibo.
Because he has an idea of what you're
But I
saying.
still got try. I'm not better than him. Ana mamu. Say okay, see, I've gotten the correct word. Ana mamu utasha sibo.
Ana mamu to asa si Igbo.
Chidi.
Yes.
She.
Is this? There's no shape.
Guys, see your fave.
This video
Cannot
must not go out.
it will go out.
I beg
It's
you.
going to my Facebook straight.
I beg you, name of
You
God.
see, you see yourself until you learn how to speak Igbo.
I'm so sorry, like guys, I'm really it's not my fault. I can explain.
Explain.
This video must not go out.
It will.
Today, please.
Because be speaking Igbo.
Yeah,
Because Obo don't Igbo. Obo don't Igbo. Obo don't Igbo. Say dalu. Okay, say Imaka. Dalu na.